3 years of use. It's time to sharpen the blade on this baby. First step, let's take the battery out. You don't want to have a live battery in the electric engine when you got your hands working on the blade. All right, let's flip it over. Little 14 millimeter socket right here, and a wrench multiplier, my BFH. It's not a whole lot of torque, but it's not a really long wrench, and this is a moving target. So I'm going to put my foot in here like this. I'm going to give this a tap, and hopefully that will break loose. Let's see what it does. That moved a little bit. Need to use the impact. I just needed to get two hands on it. It's hard to hold the camera and tighten it at the same time, but it comes right off. It's a standard thread, 14 millimeters. All right. You have a washer with a little cam in there that will meet up with this little gap when we put it back together. Now let's go sharpen this blade. Now after 3 years of use, it's a nice hardened blade, and there's very few dents. I got a pecan tree in the back that I'm sure has been abusing this blade, but not many rocks or anything, and it's really not that badly dinged up. But alas, it's just irritating the grass right now. We need to get it to cut the grass. So let's go ahead and run a file on this. The impulse on this is to just take a grinder and grind it, but you don't want to mess with the hardening. And anytime you change the temperature of the blade, if you get it too hot from grinding, you risk making it softer or more brittle. So we're not going to mess with that. We're just going to use a standard machinist file and file it off. You can see I've already taken a couple of strokes already, and it's already starting to sharpen up. Let's see how much it takes to do this. All right, just a couple minutes of filing, and that came down really nice. See, I only filed on the one side, and we have a bit of a burr on the back side. I'm going to leave that burr. We're not trying to cut paper, we're trying to cut grass, and the grass will file that burr down for me. But only filing on the one side. You want to knock off the dents, and you want to get it all nice and even, so that, see if we can keep this in focus, you have an edge. We have a nice sharp edge now. And if you look at the side that I haven't filed yet, you can see that there's really not an edge. It's rounded over, right? So all we're trying to do is knock off that round over. Take these little bumps out of there. All right, I'm going to catch this second half in real time and then speed it up so you can see how much effort it is. It's really not that hard. There we go. I don't even need to speed that up. I have a nice burr all along the back side that tells me that it's nice and sharp. All right, let's go ahead and get this back on the lawnmower and get some work done. All right, so how do you put it back together? It's right on the blade. This side faces the grass. So you put that back down right where it wants to go. Just like that. All right. Bada bing. You would think that there would be a little latch or some kind of a pin or something, but it's not. All you have is this little keyway, and you set that in there so it matches up like that, and you throw your screw in. $14 millimeters, tighten it up, and off you go. Bob's your uncle. Or in this case, in my case, Bob's my wife's boss. Let me tighten this up and get busy. And away we go. Whoops, I pushed the button. pull the lever. Away we go. That's gonna work a whole lot better.